4 wheels on it. Look at that. Hey, there's me. So I do a lot of traveling, and the folks at SHOWKOO were kind enough to send this to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. So I have the SHOWKOO luggage set here, 3-pack luggage set. I'm really looking forward to this. This thing comes in 20 different colors. At least 20, 21 different colors. I got the Caribbean blue and I'm dying to check it out. Let's open this up and see what we get. Oh, nice. Look at that. That's sharp. I got wheels. There's wheels on the big one too. Totally awesome. We got wheels on the big guy here for sure. On here, you can have it just down there. You can have setting 1, setting 2. I like to. We got feet on the bottom too. And I love the feel of this. It's got a nice texture to it. You're not going to believe what's inside of here. It's another one. Look at that. Also like to point out that each of these has a TSA lock on here and you can set your own code. It is another one. This is the one I was looking forward to right here. So cool. Caribbean blue. Wheels, exactly what I wanted. I was so jealous of the people wheeling around the airport with their 4-wheelers when I only had 2 wheels. This is the large one right here. If you look on here, we have an actual pocket inside here for toiletries, whatever you want to put in there. And we have 1 and 2 zipper bags. And this one is, you can't see what's inside of it, but this one you can see what's inside of it. And the cool part is this folds over the top, and you can also zip this closed if you wanted to. And on this side, we have a couple of straps in case you need to put something down in there. Here's another cool feature that I like. I just noticed. It's got a handle on this side too. Look at that. Handle here, and a wheel handle. 3 handles. On the medium one, it's just a smaller version of the large one. It has the 4 wheels. We open it up, and there's the zipper bag, and it also has the 2 zipper bags in here that can be closed up. It's literally just a slightly smaller version of the large one. I'm just going to jam all these shirts in here, see what happens. Let's put this giant waistcoat in there too. Those guys on top. I guess they get more in here. 4 more shirts with the hangers. All right, here we go. Now we can unzip this. Get the expansion thing going. Now it's no problem at all. Expand the luggage out. Gosh, about 2-3 inches there, and we're good to go. The smaller one here, and I'm assuming it's exactly the same as the 2 larger ones, but in a smaller variety, and it is. Super cool. We got the bag in the front here, zipper bag. We have the zipper bag here, and the 2 other zipper bags here. I absolutely love this thing. I love it, I love it, I love it. And maybe my favorite part about all 3 of these things is they all 3 come equipped with a TSA Sentry lock on them. Pretty simple. You zip them up. The zippers each have these little hooks on them right here. See the little hooks on there? And they both press in and they lock into place so that no one but the TSA, it's TSA 007 on here, so they know what kind of key they have to open this and inspect your luggage. You want to set your own little passcode on here? They all come preset to 000. It's very simple. You just press this button right here with a pen and ballpoint pen will work. Press that, set it to wherever you want. Let's set it to 111. You get it set to 1, is it set? Yeah, it's 111. You set it, you press the button. There you go. There's your new combo. It's set. It's done. That's simple. Now I'm the guy at the airport with the wheel bag. And another cool thing, when you get back to the hotel and you've got all 3 of these bags with you and you unpack your luggage, you can just throw them all together into one case and store them in the closet in 1 unit instead of 3. So it takes up less room. And when you store them at home, same thing. Put them all together inside of this one. They're like nesting luggage. Is that a thing? Nesting luggage? And pretty cool. Takes up less space. Gotta love that. Anyway, if you're looking for a nice, durable feeling, expandable luggage set that comes in about 20 different cool colors with a TSA Sentry lock on it and 4 wheels on it. Look at that. Hey, there's me. Check out the SHOWKOO expandable luggage set. Check it out. Pretty awesome. I'm excited.